amid a reasonable amount of skepticism towards BKKT stock in the form of its short interest, which is around 15.4%. The stock is down 2.22% in this regular session of today, the 28th of November 2023, and the volume is so far is 2.17. I think it's a modest volume, not that significant. Nothing's going on today with regard to stock, but we can see from this order book, you can see it a bit flat here, no activity. Usually you would see this is where the market orders are going through, but not very much is going through. You can see that some market participants are bidding or asking for the price of 2.19. It's currently, as you can see, at 1.7, 1.76, and some are actually bidding for 1.17, as we can see. And what else do we have? As of this is the 1 minute chart. As of the 15th of November, we had a look at our the projections we had on its daily chart, and it was forecasted that the stock will continue to show strength up till Friday, the 24th of November. And actually that happened. That played out to be the case. It projected that its 10-day moving average will continue to show strength, and yes, that turned out to be the case. But it has cooled off since yesterday, the 27th, and then today as well. And in that session we had projections all the way towards 2.72. I think that is still in play. 2.72 still in play. 2.7 now, and also 1.4. Okay, let's see, 1.92. Yeah, 1.92. Yes, that was still in place. So these projections haven't changed. And then we also had 1.65. Okay, it's now 1.44. We also had 1.44 still in play. Yes, and then 1.27, 1.3 roughly. Yeah, so but the algos on this 10-day moving average has also changed as well. It's projecting that by Monday the 4th of December, it's going to, the 10-day moving average will be around 0.8968, but by Wednesday the 6th, probably almost 1 week from today, it's going to be, it's projecting that it's going to be weak come next week. So maybe this might the fact that the last projection we had played out does not guarantee that it will be the case this time around as well, that weakness is going to be what will happen. Okay, so we also have the same sort of tool, the auto regression tool, that is projecting, that is forecasting its price. We have it that it's showing, let's say that let's get the date. It's showing that Friday the 8th of November, Monday the 11th of November, we are looking at a price of around 0.85. okay, let's see, this is blocking it, let's see, somewhere here around $1. So it's I would say that weakness is projected. Weakness is forecasted on its daily chart. Once again, that's not a guarantee that's going to happen. The last time it happened, that was almost 1 week in advance, and it's played out to be the case. But this weakness that is projected now, there's still no guarantee that that will be the case, for BKKT stock. So yeah, just see what you make of it. I'm just one of the viewers out there wanted an update, and indeed you definitely probably need an update. Yeah, as you can see, that has it's losing ground down further. I would say an additional 2% since we started to record this video. So now down 4.44%. Okay, so this is the order book. Not very much is going on here, so it's a quiet session for the stock, and the stock is rallying within a longer term downtrend. It's rallying within longer term downtrend. That's what we're looking at right now, and it's outperforming the S&P 500, but momentum is still strongly bullish. Okay, even though it has this is the second straight session of losses, of I would say correction. You would say, okay, I would say, yeah, momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing the shares and driving the price higher. Today's volume is lighter than usual, with 2.556 million shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicators is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. Maybe as things stand right now, it could just be 2 days of correction, and maybe it might continue to rally again. But if the algo here, the auto regression tool here is anything to go by, if it's that reliable, then we are looking at some weakness to come. Okay, but we can actually look at the weekly chart, and it might give us a better. Okay, it's on the weekly chart is also sideways movements. The auto regression as well is also projecting sideways movement as well. The auto regression 2 is also projecting sideways movement all the way towards Monday the 5th of November. So it's Monday the 5th of November of February, as a matter of fact. Okay, so we're going too far. So Monday the 11th of oh my goodness, Monday the 11th of December, we are looking at 3.67. If that makes you happy, take 3.67. Monday the 16th, Monday the 11th of December, and let's see, Monday the 4th of December, about a week from today, we are looking at the same price, 3.11 as well, 3.11. If once again, if that's good, why not take it? 3.11. I mean, I thought it was all negative, but having a look at this auto regression tool on the weekly chart, it's sounding quite positive, better than what we are looking at right now. But this is a weekly chart, and I can't exactly say that. I mean, the fact that it played out to be what it projected does not mean that it's going to be the case. A weekly chart has far less data points than a daily chart, and indeed also the minute charts. They have very short intervals, so those ones tend to be much more accurate than daily and weekly charts and monthly charts. So we can actually have a look at the one minute chart. So we have upper projections here of 1.77. It's not that it's going to be of very much. Okay, look at this, man, it's showing strength here. This is the auto regression tool. 1.82 is forecasted. Weakness on the stock itself is weak, but auto regression tool is saying strength. Interesting. I mean, each time I just want to give up, and I see something positive. This is the 5-minute chart. Okay, weakness is projected here. You can see that the curve or the chart, the line is the price is below. You can see this is the plot of the price. It's below the regular. This is the regular price itself, and this is the auto regression tool forecasting the price. Okay, let's have a look at the 45 minutes and see. This is closer to the 1 day chart. That's slightly closer to the 1 day chart. No, not that close. There's also the hourly chart. So on the 45 minutes, weakness is projected. Maybe we just have to keep digging and look at the hourly charts and see 1 hour chart, what is projected here. Okay, strength is projected on the 1 hour chart. Strength is projected up till tomorrow, the 29th of November, up to 1.96, and the projections go all the way towards 2.65. But also strength weakness is projected. Let's see what is projecting for its weakness up till Wednesday the 20. Okay, weakness is projected, and let's see go down all the way down to the 4-hour chart and see. The 4-hour chart is weakness is projected on its 10-period moving average, and also the price weakness is equally projected. So it's a mixed bag of things, mixed projections, and The upper projection on the 4-hour chart is 2.32. Below that is 2.05, and then below that is at 1.95. So once again, see what you make of BKKT, and thank you very much for watching this video.